How is auto learn done in Menvier fire alarm panel and why is it done? Let us tell you that auto learn is done before checking the system details of the fire alarm. Through system details, you can know how many devices are installed in a fire alarm panel, how many smoke detectors and how many MCP and sounders are installed in it. So please watch video till the end so that you can learn complete procedure of checking system details. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for getting more videos on fire alarm system. Thanks for watching Technical Vlogs.